Good morning, students. How are you? Today I am going to start you chapter 1 knowing our numbers. So in this chapter we will learn about comparing our numbers and ascending orders, descending orders of numbers. Okay, so such kind of work will be done here. So starting from exercise 1A. Exercise 1A, question number first, which one is the greatest? Two numbers are given here. So, there are certain rules to comparing the numbers. First rule is counting number of digits. If number of digits are number higher, then it means that is greatest. Here number of digits are 1, 2, 3. 3 digits are here, and here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here number of digits are 4. It means this number is greatest. So here 2345 has 4 digits which are more than 467. So 2345 will be greatest. Okay, so here this number is greatest. In second part 2675 and 2648. Here number of digits are equal. Here how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are here, and here also 4 digits are here. When number of digits are equal, then you will start comparing values of their digits. Okay. So here you will start comparing. Here first, these two numbers have equal value. Okay. These two digits have equal value. And here also these two digits have equal value. And here this number is greater. This number is digit. This here is a 7, here is a 4. It means this one is greater. So 2675 is greatest. That is your answer. Okay. Let us solve next question. Next question is arrange the following numbers in descending order. The numbers are given here. Okay. So write descending order means greater to smaller. Yani greatest to smallest. Yani bigger to smaller. Okay. So here number of digits. First count number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5 number of digits are here. Here also 5. Here also 5. And here also 5. And here also 5. It means every number has equal number of digits. So here you will compare the values of their numbers with digits. You will write in ascending order. In ascending order, first start comparing this. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 means 2. Every number has 2 in first digit. Here 3 means 3 and 0 means this one is greater, and 3 means these both are equal. 4 and 3, which one is greater? This one. It means 24063 is greatest. Okay. And after that, this one is done. Okay. After that, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3 equal. Now next is 0. This one is smaller because 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, and this one is smaller. So here 2, 3, 0, 2, 3, 0, 2, 3, 0. Now it 1, 2, 6. Here is also 6 and 6. Okay. 6, 4, 7. This one is greater. 2, 3, 0, 6, 7. After that, which one is greater? After that, 2, 3, 0, 6, 6. 2, 3, 0, 6, 4. And this one? 2, 3, 0, 6, 6. And after that, this one? 2, 3, 0, 6, 4. And last, this number 2, 0, 3, 6, 6. That is your answer. Okay. Let us solve next kind of question where digits are given and you will find means you write your numbers. Okay. So here question number 4, using the digits 2, 4, 9, 6, write smallest 4-digit number. How many digits are here in your number? 4 digits, and you have 4 digits also. So it is very easy to write your smallest number. When you will write the smallest number, you will start from smallest digit. Okay, so smallest number. Smallest number is equal to start from, because you are writing the smallest number, start from smallest digit 2, 3, 6, 9. 2, 3, 6, 9. This is the smallest number. That is your answer. Okay. And now here part number C of the same question, write greatest 5-digit number. Here you will write a number which has 5 digits, but you have only 4 digits. What will you do? You will repeat 1 digit. Okay? You will repeat. But which digit will be repeated? You will repeat, because you are writing greatest number, then you will repeat your greater means a digit which has greatest value. Okay? So here you will repeat your 9. So greatest number is equal to, you will write 9 2 times 3 2 3. Okay, so now you can see here this number has 5 digits, and where I have repeated 9 2 times because to make it greatest of 5-digit number. Okay, this is your answer. Let us solve next question. Question number 6. Change the position if required to get the greatest 6-digit number. So here you will write 6-digit number. So first count how many digits you have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so there is step is very easy. So change the position, because you have to write greatest number. Greatest number, and you can see this number is not greatest. Okay, so what will you do? When you will change its position of digits, then you will get greatest number. After changing position of its digits, after changing position of its digit, then you will get to write greatest number. First you will write digit which is greatest. Which digit is greatest in this number? 9. And after that 6. After that 5. After that 2. And 2 is written here 2 times, and then 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now you can see 9, 6, 5, 2, 2, 1. This number is greatest. Okay? That will be your answer. So let us solve the next question. Question number 9. Make the greatest and smallest. Here you will write greatest number. Greatest number and smallest. But how? How will you write greatest and smallest number? Condition is here 9 at 100 place. Means when you will write both numbers, then your 9 should be at the place of 100. Okay? how will you write the greatest number? So greatest number can be written by using 6, 7, 8, 9. Only these 4 digits, because you are writing only 4 digit number, 4 different digits. So you can use only 4 different digits, and 9 is compulsory in this number. So 9 is compulsory. Then how many greatest digits are remaining? 7, 6, 8 after 9. Okay. So and condition is here, 9 should be at the place of 100. So it should be at the place of 100. Once it is 100 means 9 will be here. And before 9, which number is greatest? Leave this 9. Forget this 9. Which one is greatest? 8 is greatest, and after that 7 and 6. So by using these you can write this greatest number 8, 9, 7, 6. And how to write smallest number? When you will write a smallest number, then you will use your digits 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. But here 9 is compulsory, so remove your 3. So you have now 4 digits. By using these digits, write the smallest number. The smallest number when you write, but keep in your mind 9 should be at the place of 100. Once against 100 means 9 should be here, and 9 after that. Which one is the smallest? 1. After that 0, then 2. This is the smallest number where 9 is at the place of 100. So write 1902. That these are your answers. Okay. So with this question, your exercise is being over. Okay. So thank you class. In next video, I will start your next exercise 1B.